Hello everyone, in my today's video tutorial, I will show you how you can add or remove the Google account in your device Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. So if in this device, if you want to add the Google account or if you want to remove the Google account from your device Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, you can easily do it just by following the few steps as I will show you. Before we move to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch the video till end and you will learn how you can do it. Let's watch the video.